All right, look, if you're in this market for the right reasons, you're probably trying to stack Satoshis. The goal here is to make more money in BTC, not USD. Well, right now is the perfect opportunity to save some of your investment. Altcoins are bleeding to Bitcoin. Keep watching. What's going on, everybody? Alex back with another cryptocurrency video. And look, I'm not, exaggerating at all. Bitcoin right now looks like it's going to steal the show. It looks like altcoins might bleed against Bitcoin when it comes to dominance. So in some cases, and a lot of cases, Bitcoin might be the better investment for the majority of people. So I'm gonna go over my cycle trading strategy. We're gonna dive into the market. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Then I'm gonna go over some news like the classic style in my video. But if you appreciate this content, feel free to smash that like button and hit that share button. Share this with as many people as possible. Cryptocurrency still has a lot of room to grow. Maybe some of your family and friends wanna make some money. Well, this is the channel for them to get some information. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, but I keep it down to earth. We don't accept sponsorship, so everything is truthful. And essentially, I try to back up everything I do with facts, right? So,
oh, damn. Check that shit out.
What is that?
that's the type of information you get here. Let's jump into the actual market. So the first thing I want to look at is the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrency, like we always do. Now, it looks strong. It looked like it should break out. I've been screaming at the top of my lungs that we're going to test new all-time high when it comes to Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, and as well as, the total market capitalization. It looks like I was correct. Now, I don't try to, okay, guys, it's very simple, but we've been calling this for a long time. It's pretty much been the only story for the last 6 videos. We're going to test all-time high. We're going to test all-time high. So we're coming to that point where is it going to break out of this channel or not? We don't know for sure. If you were to ask me, I think it is. Okay. It just looks like it's going to be increasing volume. It looks like it's increased volatility. It looks like this time is different. So if you were to ask me again, this is like 3's the charm. We tried once, we tried twice. Personally, I think it's going to happen. I'm leaning towards it though. But if I were to like quantify it, I'm thinking like 60-40. Like I'm not like 100%, we're going to the moon and beyond, but I'm like 60-40. So I do think that's, again, like I said, 3's the charm. All fundamental news looking extremely bullish. So pay attention. Total market capitalization, excluding BTC against BTC dominance, looking pretty bad. Okay, it looks like it's going to go down, and what this basically means is exactly what I said. It looks like all coins are going to steal the show, at least for the next couple of days. Not too long. I would say realistically probably like 5 days to 7 days. This week it looks like it's going to be Bitcoin again stealing the show against altcoins. We're going to probably come down. This is basically a bearish pattern. This is a rising wedge, so we should see the downside, right? We should see a little bit. I mean, it might not even break, right? All I'm saying is in the purposes of this channel, like we're in this channel here or this triangle, right? So at least we're going to do something like this. Maybe we might jump back up, right? But this is supposed to break down from technical analysis perspective. So pay attention. Altcoins might bleed against Bitcoin. And this is also adding to my case. We broke out of this channel right here for Bitcoin to USDT, USD Tether. And we broke out of this channel. We're definitely getting up at least to here. So again, I've been screaming at the top of my lungs. My exact price point for Bitcoin is around this price level right here. I am pretty confident Bitcoin is getting to 62,000 minimum. 61,897 is my price point. Looking at this price level here, right? I'm looking at the all-time high from before, as well as this channel. This is a rising wedge as well. So as soon as it gets up to there, at least for the next week, I genuinely think this is like my little, 7-day prediction. Bitcoin's going to steal the show for the next week. Altcoins are going to bleed in comparison. And once we hit this top channel here, we're probably going to bounce off again. And then altcoins will do better for the next week or whatever the case is. So this is our cycle trading strategy. We move in and out of altcoins versus BTC to stack Satoshis. We're making money on the upside. We're making money on the downside. We don't even have to short the market to do this. I've been talking about this for a very long time. Ethereum, asymmetrical triangle. This looks good for ETH, at least when it comes to USDT. Remember, what I was looking at before, though, is dominance charts. So Ethereum and USDT can do well, but the dominance charts can be, saying a completely different picture. Remember, the goal here is not to just make money. The goal here is to make more Satoshis, right? So again, the USD price of Ethereum and top 100 altcoins can go up, but Bitcoin can go up more. Pay attention, right? And there's no point of buying altcoins if Bitcoin's doing better than your portfolio. I've literally had like 7 people with this ego come into like my coach's meetings when we have like with the fundamental secrets, and these guys are like,
yo, my strategy's worked perfectly fine.
And then we do the math first off, they don't even know how much money they made. Like half of the people that sign up for Fundamental Secrets and talking to my coaches, they don't even know how much money they made. You should know how much money you made from when you first started. Like it should be in the top of your head how much USD you put in the market and how much USD you currently have, right? You should know that. If you don't know this, like, I mean, that's step number one, you're going in the wrong direction. Number two, it should be more than Bitcoin, right? The amount of money you made should be more than Bitcoin. If you haven't 10x your investment and you're just making money, you would have 10x your investment if you held Bitcoin. I want you guys to really understand and grasp your head around this, because a lot of you are spending 24 hours a day trading when you would have been way better just holding Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? If your investments are not out competing Bitcoin and Ethereum, you're wasting your time. And I'm the only one telling you this on the internet. I know there's other people saying it, but I'm just going to be flat out honest and the truth, because you guys are like, it's crazy how much ego gets involved, you know, when it comes to money, right? Because it's the most important thing in a lot of people's lives, right? Let go. Let go of your emotions when you're investing, because, you know, it might look like you're making money. You might be able to brag to your friends of how you 6x your investment. But remember, Bitcoin 10x. You wasted your time. You wasted your money on transaction fees. You wasted your time. It's like a double whammy effect, okay? Everyone makes money in the bull market. The goal here is to outcompete Ethereum, okay? Pay attention. So, oh, by the way, I just wanted to show you guys really quickly. The YouTube channel passed 97,000 subscribers. So that means the discount's now $300, just to give you a heads up. So we're past 97 now. It's $300. We had a $500 discount. It dropped to 400 when it hit 96,000. It dropped to 300 just yesterday because it's at 97,000. And then when it gets to 98,000, the discount's dropping to $200. And then eventually the discount would discontinue when we hit 100,000 subscribers. So go ahead and apply to thefundamentalsecrets.com. Make sure you jump in ASAP to get that discount. Take advantage. Now, if we come back to the market, ADA looks amazing. I'll be honest. Like when it comes to top 100 altcoins, we might see ADA and like the top 5 or 10 do well, you know, with Bitcoin, kind of follow Bitcoin. Maybe the other top 100 might bleed. All I know is that this chart looks bearish. This is the top 100 versus Bitcoin dominance. This looks like it's going down, right? This is a rising wedge. It's bearish. We're coming in at this trend line, this massive trend line. We've been talking about this over and over again. I will beat it into your head so you guys understand. Coming into this massive trend line. Now, I will say the risk to reward is not as high for me. So what I'm waiting for before I sell all my altcoins into Bitcoin, right? Because I know that's probably what you guys are asking right now in your head. Alex, should we sell all of our altcoins in Bitcoin? What I'm waiting for is a breakout down here, right? Because remember, like this is like a one in a, you know, long time opportunity. Like, look at this. The last time we tested this was 211 days ago. So I'm not going to sit here and sell all my altcoins and make that decision like ASAP, because this could easily just fake out, just go straight to the top. So I'm not doing it yet. But if I see something like this, if I see a large candlestick and something like drop below these levels, we make a new low right here or even right here, I might sell all of my altcoins into Bitcoin, ride this Bitcoin dominance wave down to here, right? Because remember, this is top 100 altcoins versus BTC. So when this chart goes up, top 100 altcoins are doing well. When this chart goes down, Bitcoin is doing well. So I'll ride this dominance Bitcoin all the way down to here, and then we'll wait for this reversal. And then right here, back into altcoins. And this is, again, how I've been able to outcompete Bitcoin and Ethereum. People like, if you're going to use my information, use all my information, right? Don't just, I don't know how to explain it, but I've been seeing a lot of negativity out there in cryptocurrency, guys. Pay attention. This is investments. Don't get emotional. Like it shouldn't, some of the conversation I'm seeing in the comment section, guys, don't stop being ridiculous. Stop it. Okay. In other news, U.S. financial regulators talk cooperation with stablecoins. We're seeing way more stablecoin and regulation. We're seeing it all over cryptocurrency. This is a good thing. This is a good thing, right? Because they're pushing it, right? Things are happening. We're seeing it with taxes. We're seeing Silvergate brings Fidelity digital assets to custodian for, you know, whatever. We get more institutional adoption, DeFi, 6 million Series A round, more money being invested, VC capital. The Oakland Athletics will accept and hold Bitcoin in exchange for full season rentals or whatever. Guys, bullish news. It's bullish sentiment. Like news wise, it's super bullish. Visa now accepts. We talked about this on my channel before. This is huge. Like people kind of underestimated this. Like I'm trying to tell you right now, this is massive, right? So pay attention, okay? SEC files lawsuit against Library. I have some of this. We talked about this on my channel. Guys, I sold all of it. Sell everything. I am not emotional with my investments. I think the platform's amazing. I think they're doing something great. But guys, like there's a lawsuit against them. Sell it. That's my personal opinion. Again, none of this is financial advice, but I sold all of mine. I love the platform again. Like I think there's an automatic mechanism for my YouTube. When I upload on YouTube, it automatically uploads there. So it's not like I will stop making content. I'm just not holding the coin because the coin is going to drop. It already dropped 30% today. So if you already have some library credits, you might want to get rid of some. All right. Oh yeah, like I said, there's going to be more crypto taxes and stuff like that. So look, Ethereum upgrade Prism version 1.3. It's obviously showing Ethereum 2.0 is being upgraded more and more. There's going to be more bug fixes, more minor code releases. This is minor. This is like not a major code release. So pay attention. Avalanche also had a code release I wanted to make you guys aware of. It's called Go version 1.3.1. They've obviously had problems with congestion. The actual blockchain has had a lot of issues before. Maybe it's adoption. Maybe it's because their blockchain is broken. Don't know. Haven't looked into it deep. I don't have a big holdings in them. I already made a lot of money and I sold out of AVAX, but I know a lot of people have it. So I wanted to update you guys on that. Ethereum 2.0 is also getting some more. Signa Prime release version 1.2.2. You can see that there's a lot of activity going around Ethereum 2.0. So that, again, guys, is going to be like my biggest bet. I'm going to make a lot of money off of Ethereum. So pay attention. I have a lot of Ethereum. I'm not selling it. I know we talk about layer ones and everything like that. Binance chain looks like it's stealing the show right now. Broke out of this asymmetrical triangle when it comes to layer ones, top 5, top 10 kind of area there. Is doing better than pretty much all of them. I've been talking about Binance for a long time. I know a lot of them lost a lot of valuation, but remember, I was telling you guys to invest in like the ones that are not going to go to zero, like Venus, like the big ones on the Binance chain. I wasn't talking about some crazy low market cap on the Binance chain. The whole entire Binance chain is asymmetrical, high risk, high reward. Now, I'm not going to get high risk, high reward, and then go deeper in high risk, high reward by investing in, Joe Schmo protocol, market cap of 5 million. That's not happening, right? So a lot of my investments have immediately came back, like Venus, some of the bigger ones that we've seen. Let me just jump to the second page here so you guys can see it. But yeah, these are popping up 40%, right? I told you guys, like you do want to play in a defensive strategy. I'm using the same defensive strategy with NFTs, right? Super Farm is up. I think Venus is up like crazy. I think it's on the first page though. Yeah, 40%. Let me see. Where was it? I could have sworn I saw it. 0x is up. That's connected to the Binance chain. OMG, I believe, is also connected to the Binance chain. Binance coin itself is up 8.9%. And where is Venus at? I literally just saw it. Let's just type it in. Venus. Yeah, this is up like crazy. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 34%. So like, again, like I'm just holding the Binance coins as like a high risk, high reward. Wait it out, see what happens. That's like such a small percentage of my portfolio, less than like 3% of my portfolio. So I'm not really in the red anymore, like after today at all with any of the Binance coin, and I actually dollar cost average, so I'm up like crazy on those. But yeah, last thing I want to kind of finish this up with, I want you to make you guys really aware because this right here is pretty big, right? These are on-chain metrics for Glassnode Studio. We pay for this service, and I will be updating you guys on the crypto channel as well as the people in my Fundamental Secrets course on specifically what's going on here. Essentially, every time it flashes blue, we see some type of pullback, some type of massive pullback. And in some cases, they actually predict the top. As you can see here, it flashed blue and we never came back from that point. So we're almost there, right? This line right here is showing it. We actually almost flashed blue right here. So pay attention. Let's just kind of zoom in a little bit. Look how close we got to flashing blue. So at 60K, we're going to start flashing it. Okay. So I want to make you guys aware again, once we get up to like 60K, we retest all time highs. For the short term, Bitcoin's going to take over. And then at the top at 60K, 62K, I'm probably going to take some money out of Bitcoin, jump into altcoins. Now, this might change, right? This is not set in stone. I'm just telling you from what I see for the next week to 10 days, right? And then when I jump back into altcoins should steal the show, right? We don't know for sure. We should see some type of big jump in the top 100 altcoins versus BTC. Maybe at that time we'll be like around this range here. You might see some sideways consolidation, boom, pop up to the top. Maybe, right? That it can go completely different. It can go straight down, right? And then Bitcoin just do really well and go to 100K or something. And none of these indicators even mean anything. That it happens like all the time. Like this is just numbers, right? Remember that. Remember, if there's some type of big adopter, some big piece of fundamental news, it can completely change the whole game. Doesn't mean we can't track our investments on a day-to-day basis. Doesn't mean we can't do our research the way we're supposed to, right? I'm sick and tired of watching some people saying, oh, there's no point of looking at Bitcoin on a day-to-day. Like, what are you talking about? Like, do you not track your investments? Will you just close your eyes? You put a blindfold over and just wait and look at data science models all day and just wait for Bitcoin to go up? No, that's not the case at all. You need to be looking at it on a day-to-day basis to make sure investments are safe and sound. This is money, people. This is our livelihood here, right? Be a professional, right? So we might see a situation right here where we see a little short-term top come down and then eventually reach back up. That's always possible. That Bitcoin is a crazy asset, guys. Remember, one of the most volatile assets on planet Earth. But that's it for this video, guys. If you like the quality of this content, hit like. If you don't, leave some constructive criticism. Subscribe for more video updates. And like I always say, if you don't get with it, you will get left behind. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Alex here. Quick update, quick announcement, guys. I have a new community number. So I got a second phone. You could directly text me. I'm answering all questions. My new phone number is 954-758-5473. Again, that's 954-758-5473. I'm answering all comments. Go ahead and text me now. Let's have a conversation.